Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So iphumile-ke i-group. I'm sure abantu abaningi bayibonile i-group iBafana Bafana. iBafana Bafana-ke bafethu meningayibonanga i-group esoyidlala siyodlala against iCzech Republic. Angikwazi ukulipronounce leli gama leli. Bawinile izolo against iDenmark bewina kuma-penalties. I saw that game. Yabo. So siyodlala against iCzech Republic, mase kuba iMexico, mase kuba iSouth Africa, mase kuba yini na iSouth Korea. Yabo. Lama team-ke wo-4. Lama-team wo-4 iwona akhona ku-Group A. NgoJune 11 iBafana Bafana they will play their opening match against iMexico bafethu. Yithi siyovula inkundla. Yabo njengoba kuyithina nje siyovula inkundla. Ngifuna ukukhuluma nje ngalama games lawo. Yabo uma siwabheke lama games bafethu akusiwona ama games alula kakhulu for iBafana Bafana. Uma siwabheke lama games lawa sizoba nenkinga. Yabo ngifuna sikhulume ngalento esiyibona izolo. Yabo ngisho abantu abaningi bayibonile igame but ke regarding le game ade siyiboka izolo and lama games esiwadlala ingabe ukuphi la ekumele sishintshe khona. Ingabe ukuphi la ekumele sishintshe khona. Ingabe do we have what it takes to go to ama knockout stages kule group ekanje? Because uma usubheke igame yokuqala soyidlala nini ngomhla 11 mase kuthi ke igame yesibili siyidlale nayo le team le. Yabo angitshela ukuthi pronounce kanjani, angikwazi ukupronounce leli gama. Yabo angifuni ke le kuningi clipper lethi uVana akwazi ukupronounce. Yabo but ke le team lesiyodlala ngomhla 18 June mase kuthi ngomhla 25 June sidlale neSouth Korea. Ikhathi yabona igame eSouth Korea Bafana Bafana versus South Korea izodlala ngo3 ekseni. 3 ekseni mozazi ukuthi uyasebenza ngaleso sikhathi kumele ucele nje emsebenzini usho ukuthi hayi ngicela ngempela ungavuki because leya game leya kumele sihlale sonke siyibukele. Asikwazi ukuthi sivuke sesizwe ukuthi Bafana Bafana idliwe or iBafana Bafana yabo iwinile. Yabo kodwa ke ngifuna ukukhuluma nje bafethu uma usubheke iSouth Korea. iSouth Korea akusiyona i-team ongayisisancane. Yabo akusiyona i-team ongayisisancane. They are ranked number 22 emhlabeni jikelele. Yabo ba ranked unumber 22 emhlabeni jikelele and uma usubheke isquad sakhona. Yabo epalini abana abadlali abaningi abatheni but ke balazi ibhola. Ukhona uKing Min-jae odlalelani na odlalelayo na eBayern. Bakhona abadlali mfethu laphana khona nomdlali odlalela iWolves umjidi uyadlala, is a good player. Khona noKang In-lee odlalela iParis Saint-Germain umjidi uyakwazi ukudlala ibhola. Yabo they have players abangawuzi basinikeze inkinga okuyikona ukuthi nathi ngokwethu do we have what it takes to show those players ukuthi nathi we are Bafana Bafana side. Mina ngokwami I'll tell you one thing. If Hugo Bros can swallow his pride and call up Ikram Reyners. As a nation, we are on our knees as a nation. Why is Ikram Reyners not being called up? Why is Ikram Reyners not being called up? Because if you can watch Lomchita lo, Lomvana lo, udlalela iBurnley, uFoster. Check la Foster stats kwiBurnley. Let me pull up his stats kwiBurnley khona uzowabona ama stats akhe kwiBurnley. Yabo ngikhuluma ngento engizokukhombisa yona manje. Mase ucomparison nobani na umcomparison nalomjida lo Ikram Reyners uzobona ukuthi ke iningi kakhulu into ewumehluko. Yabo I know ukuthi ke ama league awafani. Yabo awefana ama league. Kodwa ke mfethu as a striker kuyodwa into emele uyenze ukushaya igoli. Now my stats. These are the stats. Even though ene value enkulu, but look at the goals. Usedlala ama minutes amaningi more than uIkram Reyners. Usedlala ama minutes amangaki? Kora ama goal awu3, Ikram Reyners wakora ama goal awu10. Kule season so far. 2025 Premier League season and 2025-2026 season yeBetway Premiership. He is scoring more goals than this guy. Why he is not being called up? It is something I understand and it's something engazi ngempela ucoach why engafuni siyokhala kuyoze kube nini. Akusiyona into esiqalayo ukukhuluma ngayo le kade saqala ukukhuluma kuIkram Reyners. But it seems like Ikram Reyners akusiyona into yabo akusiyena umuntu athembela kakhulu kuyena ucoach. Mina ngokubona kwami akathembeli kakhulu kuyena, which is something angazi noma mhlawumbe behavior ngiyazi phela uHugo Broos abathanda abadlali ababehavior kambi, yabo, but I don't think there's a behavior because if you saw Ikram Reyners playing le ku-Club World Cup, Ikram Reyners was scoring goals. He even had the Man of the Match award, yabo. So you cannot tell me ukuthi kungaba i-behavior. It cannot be behavior. There is something angafuna usitshela yona uHugo Broos. Kumele nje aphumile kubala mhlambe ke izintatheli because izintatheli ziyathanda ukuthi ke zimbuze imibuzo. Ziyathanda ukuthi zimbuze imibuzo, hlezi imibuzo engayenzi sense. Why bengabuza ukuthi ke why ungasilandi istriker escora amagoli esishaya amagoli la ku-Betway Premiership. Esenza kahle la ku-Betway Premiership uyolanda istriker esingenzi kahle le ku-Premier League. I'm not saying that because umchita at the moment akadlali kahle. He was one of our best players sodlala le ku-AFCON. But ke nakhona ku-AFCON wawubona kahle ukuthi kukhona izinto azenzayo ey'ngekho right as a striker, yabo. As a striker kumele ube nehunger. Yesterday I saw many people blaming uHlongwane instead of Foster. And I was so surprised because why are we blaming uHlongwane? Uhlongwane didn't put himself as a winger, didn't play himself as a winger. He was supposed to be the main man, the main striker, esodlala up front. Angazi bekwenze njani izolo. Yabo, thina we are better than that Panama team, but again, are we good enough to go to this World Cup and shock a lot of people? We have a chance to be number one in that group. Yabo, some people may tell you otherwise. But looking at these teams, I know in Mexico they are the host team, they are the host nation, they are likely to top that group. But again, Tina, Zibafana Bafana, not as nice shout. But if you look at Mexico, their last two games, they drew against the Belgium, they drew against the Portugal. I know bebengekho Ronaldo, bebengekho banibani, but there is a lot. Bebekhona Bruno Fernandes, besikhona isquad nje, yabo. Bebekhona bonke abadlali but ke badrowe ngo-0-0. Imagine ke thina ke Zibafana Bafana. Siyini ke lesa squad, yabo. Mina ngokwami I feel like sinayo i-chance usenze kahle, but ke kuzoba nzinyana going forward, yabo. I feel like uHugo Broos unomsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu. April, May, yabona ngoMay, yabo inyanga kaMay kumeze sure ukuthi uthola ama-friendly matches awu-2. Athola ama-friendly matches awu-2 and abize abadlali abaseqopheleni eliphezulu. Siyabadinga labajita. Siyathanda asithandi because sizobe inhlekisa phambili, yabo. Sizobe inhlekisa phambili. Osithole lento yokuba ne-loyalty of osithole kumele yehle kancane. We need the best 11. We need the best players to lead the nation. I was watching this documentary bafethu ye class of 96. Beautiful documentary. A beautiful documentary that shows the togetherness yalabajita labana. And the coach, he was with the players. He chose best players to play for Ibafana Bafana. When I look at this squad, these players are not chosen because they are the best. They are chosen because coach has a strong bond with them. He's not choosing them just because they are playing good. He's choosing them because une bond enkulu with these players, which it doesn't make any sense. Ungaba nayo ibond nomdlali. Yes, wafika umdlali ekhona wakwawuthi akusize kahle udlala lapha. But ke akasadlali ngaleyo ndlela lo mdlali olukumbiza manje. Bakhona abadlala kahle. Right now, it's time for Ibafana Bafana ukuthi yenze kahle. Right now, I feel like yithi like we are kunelesi sithi isisa somuntu nguye uqobo lakhe. We are our own enemy. We were doing very good. Hugo Broos help Ibafana Bafana wayenza ibe yilento eyiyona njengamanje. Yena himself he's demolishing all that hard work ayenza. Yena himself uyakubulala konke lokho kwakhiwa uyena, but he's destroying that whole project he created, something I've never seen before, which is crazy.